In this video, we are going to construct a triangle given its perimeter and two base angles. Construct a triangle given its perimeter and its two base angles. So construct a triangle XYZ in which angle Y equal 30 degree, angle Z equal 90 degree and XY plus YZ plus ZX equal 11 centimeter, which is its perimeter. Now for that, draw a line segment AB equal to the length of its perimeter, that is 11 centimeter. So draw a line segment AB. Don't take the side of triangle XYZ. Take some other line segment, that is AB. Now at point A, we have to draw 30 degree angle, and at point B, we have to draw 90 degree angle. Because these two base angles are given, 30 degree and 90 degree. So at A, we have to draw 30 degree angle with center A and any radius. Draw an arc which intersects the line segment at some point. Mark it as P with center P and same radius. Don't disturb your compass. Draw another arc which intersects the previous arc at point Q. So PQ arc is 60 degree. It makes with center A. PQ arc makes 60 degree with center A. Now we have to bisect PQ arc. So with P and Q as centers and any convenient radius and same radius, draw two arcs which intersect each other. Name it R. Join AR. So we have constructed 30 degree angle. RAB is 30 degree angle. So RAB is 30 degree angle. Now at point B, we have to construct 90 degree angle. For that, with center B and any convenient radius, draw an arc which intersects the line segment AB at any point. Say, name it as I. With center I and same radius, don't disturb your compass. Make another arc which intersects the previous arc at some point, that is J. With center J and same radius, draw another arc which intersects the first arc at some point. Mark it as K. Now we have to bisect JK arc. With J and K as centers and any convenient radius and same radius, draw arcs which intersect each other at some point. Name it L. Now join BL. So LBA is 90 degree angle. Angle B is 90 degree. So we have constructed the base angles. Angle B is 90 degree. Now we have to bisect angle A and angle B. Means we have to bisect angle A, means we have to bisect arc PG. So with centers P and G and same radius, same and convenient radius, draw arcs which cross each other at some point. Name it H. So AH is the angle bisector of angle A. Similarly, we have to bisect angle B. So we have to bisect arc I and M. So with centers I and M, see I and M. And same radius, any convenient radius, but same radius. It should be more than half of IM, otherwise it will not cross. Now join BN. So BN is the angle bisector of angle B. Now see, both angle bisectors intersect at one point. That point is the vertex of the triangle XYZ. That is X. X is the vertex of the triangle X. Now perpendicular bisector of AX. Bisect AX perpendicularly. Perpendicular bisector of a line segment passes through the midpoint of the line segment and intersects the line segment at 90 degree. So we are bisecting CAX with centers A and X and radius more than half of AX, and draw an arc above the line and below the line, and both these arcs intersect at some point. Mark it as, in this case we have marked it as S and T. So ST is the perpendicular bisector of AX. ST is the perpendicular bisector of AX. AX is the angle bisector. AX is the angle bisector of angle A, and X is the vertex. Now see this perpendicular bisector intersect AB at Y. Now BX, we will take BX and bisect it perpendicularly. So with center B and radius more than half of BX, above the line and below the line draw two arcs, and with center X and same radius draw arcs above the line and below the line, and see they are intersecting at one point. Mark it as U and V. So UV is the perpendicular bisector of BX. U, then V, then join V and U. So UV is the perpendicular bisector of BX. Now see, UV also intersects AB at some point, and that point is your third vertex of the triangle XYZ. So we have got all the vertices X and Y and Z. Now we have to join XY and XZ. So join XY and join XZ. So we have got the triangle XYZ. XYZ is the triangle with its base, with its two base angles, that is 30 degree. See, 30 degree. One base angle 30 degree and second base angle, see, 90 degree. And the sum of all the sides is 11 centimeter. So XYZ is the required triangle. Now we have drawn a triangle whose perimeter is 11 centimeter and base angles are of measure 30 degree and 90 degree. Now see, XYZ is a triangle where XY plus YZ plus ZX is 11 centimeter and base angle is, angle Y is 30 degree and angle Z is 90 degree. Now see here, we have drawn ST. ST is a perpendicular bisector of AX. AX is a line segment to which perpendicular bisector ST is drawn. Any point on the perpendicular bisector is equidistant from the end points of the line segment to which the perpendicular bisector is drawn. So Y is the point on the perpendicular bisector. So Y is equidistant from the end point of AX, that is A and X. So Y is equidistant from A and X, means YA and YX equal. So YA and YX, XY and AY equal. Similarly, this is drawn, perpendicular bisector drawn. BX is a line segment to which UV is a perpendicular bisector drawn. So any point on the line segment which is Z, any point on the perpendicular bisector Z is equidistant from the endpoints BX, because BX is a line to which perpendicular bisector drawn. So Z is equidistant from BX. So ZB and ZX equal, or you can say XZ and BZ equal. So XZ and BZ equal. AY plus YZ plus BZ equal 11 centimeter. AY plus YZ plus BZ is AB, that is 11 centimeter. Now we can keep AY equal XY. We know it, AY equal XY. So you can write XY. YZ is YZ. BZ, in place of BZ we can write XZ. So XY plus YZ plus ZX is 11 centimeter. So the perimeter of this triangle is 11 centimeter. Now we have to show the base angles are 30 degree and 90 degree. See here, in triangle AXY, AY is extended. So this becomes exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So this exterior angle is equal to this angle plus this angle. These two angles are equal because AYX is an isosceles triangle where AY and YX equal. So these two angles are equal, and this angle is equal to the sum of these two angles. And clearly this angle is half of 30 degrees because this is the bisector. This is half of 30 degree, 15. So 15, and this is also equal 15 plus 15, 30 degree. So the way you can write XAY equal AXY, XAY, XAY. This angle equal AXY, AXY. And in place of angle XYZ, that is the exterior angle, you can write XAY plus AXY. AXY. Now XAY and AXY both are equal. So in place of AXY, you can write XAY. So this becomes 2 times XAY. And 2 times XAY, you know that is 30 degree. 2 times XAY. That is 2 times XAY is BAY, or you can say, sorry, RAY, or you can say RAB. So that is 30 degree. Similarly, this angle is the exterior angle, and which is equal to this angle and this angle. And this angle is how much? It is 45 degree. And this angle equals, so 45 plus 45 becomes 90. So we have proved that XYZ is a triangle where XY plus YZ plus ZZ equals 11 cm and angle Y and angle Z is 90 degree.